Unlocking language, understanding indefinite quantitative adjectives. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we'll be diving into a fascinating topic in English grammar: indefinite quantitative adjectives. We're going to learn what they are and see some practical examples that will help you use them correctly in your day-to-day English. Let's start at the beginning. In English grammar, adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, usually nouns. And among these adjectives, we have a type called quantitative adjectives, which describe the quantity of something. However, not all of these adjectives are precise. That's where indefinite quantitative adjectives come in. These adjectives give us some information about quantity, but they don't tell us the exact number or amount. They're indefinite, meaning not exact or precise. Some common examples include words like some, many, few, several, and all. Now that we know what indefinite quantitative adjectives are, let's see them in action. Here are some sentences to help illustrate their usage. 1. I have some books on my desk. 2. There are many stars in the sky. 3. I've seen that movie a few times. 4. Several people arrived early for the concert. 5. All of my friends like to play football. In each of these examples, the indefinite quantitative adjectives, some, many, a few, several, all, are used to give a rough idea of quantity, but they don't specify the exact number. Just like any other part of language learning, practice makes perfect. Here are a few tips to help you master the use of indefinite quantitative adjectives. 1. Remember that these adjectives are used to indicate an inexact quantity. If you know the exact amount, use a different type of adjective. 2. Make sure to use the right adjective for the context. For example, use few when there's a small number of countable items, and use some for an unspecified amount of either countable or uncountable nouns. 3. Pay attention to how these adjectives are used when you're reading or listening to English. This will help you understand their usage in different contexts. And that's a wrap on our discussion about indefinite quantitative adjectives. I hope this video has shed some light on these often used but sometimes misunderstood parts of English grammar. Keep practicing, and you'll be using these adjectives like a pro in no time. Remember, language learning is a journey, so don't be discouraged if you make a few mistakes along the way. Instead, see them as opportunities to learn and improve. Stay tuned for more videos in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Until next time, keep learning, and happy studying.